Dear GoPro, if I died today, tell my family and my friends I love them so much. I flood it to where when I start, it's gonna go wee. Because how to get so much fucking gas in the game. Muy lo siento about that handle. Yeah, thanks. Obviously, I'm sorry. This is the part that we need now. God dang it! Maybe if it was like this one, it was straight up metal, it wouldn't suck so bad. No, something. I guess. I'm scared it's gonna tip when I'm kicking it. Just stand up or else you'll be screwed. Stand up and just kick it once hard. Let's see. What's up with the no compression? Stop. Stop. Okay. Yeah, I think it's just down to there. Something's wrong with the crankcase. It's not compression. Shoot, is that no bueno? Is something we did? Oh, it sounds like it's not hooking on. Oh wait, that's just the spring, it's fine. I think it's okay, just kick the crap out of it. Give it gas and stuff. Ooh. Don't give it full throttle. No, I'm not. I'm not even on it. I'm running once it starts. Stop. Something's wrong, dude. It's leaking gas. Is it? Out of the carb? Out of the exhaust pipe. What the hell? Did I flood it? Or is it? I just put it into gear. Shit. Are you sure that's 9 gear? Okay, let me pull on this. Something no bueno. Is it out of the carb? No. Wait, why the heck would it be coming from right here? Yeah, I don't know. I don't think that's gas, dude. What do you think it is? Huh? It looks like it's coming straight from the radio. The radio fluid. No, is it? Yeah. I don't know. Well, should I try it again? I don't know. Do you want to? Are you sure you want to? Yeah. Oh, dude, it's coming out of the crankcase. What do you mean? Oh, wait, no, it's not. What is this? What would this be? Yeah, it's coming out of the exhaust pipe. That's what's happening. So is that, what's wrong with that? I don't know, you're giving it too much gas, I guess. Well, you're the one who flooded it ahead of one from me. No, I didn't. I was just checking the slide. Whatever, I'll just stop giving it gas, okay? Watch out, wait, the tire moved. What? Tire's moving. Uh-oh, no bueno. Yeah, it's just squirting gas out of the... Is it? Something's wrong. Maybe. There's no reason it shouldn't be starting right now. Where is it? Is it still dropping? Yeah. It's going out of the exhaust pipe. Why? What's that mean? What's that mean? Not getting the equipment? It didn't used to make that noise before that clicking did it. Before we put it in? Before we took it apart. Yeah. It didn't, right? No. Maybe that was a bad idea. Well, what are we gonna do? What is that? I feel like it's not even like turning the gears because it's not even turning over. Yeah, well, it's got compression because that's so it is. So, do you think it's carburetor then? I don't know. Watch it all of a sudden start. I'm like, yeah, I know. Just do 3 really. Why is the tire moving? Remember the sprocket? What? Remember that? Whoa, stop! Remember that sprocket on the other side? What do you mean? The sprocket on the other side where it would move a little bit? Yeah. That's why it's connected to the chain. Alright, I'll just kick it a couple times. Just like 3 super quick kicks. Otherwise, then you don't know it's wrong. What? Then you don't know it's wrong, right? Yeah. Well then, shit. Then all our work went straight to shit. Really quick on it, like snapping. Here. Yeah. You hear that? Yeah. I gave it a little bit of gas. Wait, try that. 3 quick ones with gas. Almost. Feels like it's trying. You want to try it? There's crap coming out of the air. Oh shit! Oh god, that scared the shit out of me. That's what hurts. Oh yeah, what's all coming out? Is that all gas? Yeah, so it's carburetor. No, not necessarily. Most likely. Carb is fuel. If gas is coming out of the exhaust, could be that the floats are stuck. Floats? In the carb? Yeah. That's not what they do. They don't stop it from pushing. No, they're letting too much gas in. So it's overflowing everything. And that's just maybe, I don't know. Alright, well, do you want to go put it at your house and wrap it up today? Yeah. Definitely. I don't know why it didn't start. Whatever.